Okay, to finish out lesson 4 practice, this is something that might be a review for some parts of 6th grade. If you're stuck on this one, this video is going to help you a lot. It's talking about ratios, which we are going to talk more in depth about in Unit 2, but just see if you can get through this one on your own. So it says to make one batch of lavender paint, the ratio of cups of pink paint to cups of blue paint is 6 to 5. So a ratio is just like a big fraction. So it's telling me my ratio of pink to blue is 6 cups. So I'm going to add 6 cups of pink paint to 5 cups of blue paint, and that's going to give me the perfect shade of lavender paint. Now it says find 2 more ratios of cups of pink paint to cups of blue paint that are equivalent to this ratio. So I just need to pretty much find equivalent fractions. So if I have this, if I want to make sure it makes the same exact color, I just want to change both of these numbers by the same amount. It's just like a scale factor. We're just not using a shape. We're just talking about paint. So if I want to scale my pink up by 2, I'm also going to scale my blue up by 2. So my first one, I'm going to use a scale factor of 2, and that's going to tell me that I can also use 12 cups of pink to 10 cups of blue. If I need to paint maybe a whole house or something crazy and I want to scale it up by a lot, let's scale it up by 10. So if I scale my paint buckets up by 10, that means I take 6 times 10 to get 60 cups of pink, and I can do 5 times 10 to get 50 cups. You didn't have to pick 2 and 10. You could pick any numbers. You could cut them in half. You could reduce them, multiply them by 3, 4, anything you want. Okay. And again, this idea of scaling up ratios, we're going to talk about that more in Unit 2, but this is just an idea of how to take the idea of a scale factor and apply it to something that's not a shape.